How to use Android RAM Plus hidden feature. To use this feature, all you have to do is simply swipe downwards from your home screen to access this quick panel. Simply tap on the setting gear icon to access your settings. From here, head to the device care option or simply tap on this search bar, then type in device care. And once you are here, you should be able to access this, as you can see. Now from here, head to the memory option. Now, once you're here, you should be able to access this RAM Plus panel on the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and then select your desired RAM choices. Once you do so, you have to restart your device. Go ahead and simply tap on this restart option. And once your device is restarted, you are good to go. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.